What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on all the videos. We have some very interesting and exciting news today for Kaspa. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Always remember, I am not a financial advisor, guys. And nothing but blessings for you and your family. Thank y'all so much for tuning into the live streams as well. To support the channel further, please become a channel member. House of Chimera, what is Kaspa currency? In our latest discovery episode, we sat down with Shai to get a clear answer on what is Kaspa. Listen to the full recording here. So there was recently a Twitter Spaces with House of Chimera, and this is a little clip from the Spaces. We're gonna check it out.
So let's begin with a very simple question about Kaspa. Could you explain briefly the concept of Kaspa for people which are not necessarily very familiar with it?
Okay, well, Kaspa is a lot of things. I think the two things that make Kaspa interesting is that it's a fairly large project. It's a community-driven project. It didn't start off this way, but it evolved this way. And this is the launch model we went with eventually. And it's a cutting-edge tech. Now, I know a lot of people say that the tech is cutting-edge, but I maintain that ours is truly unique in the sense that it's the first to really solve the blockchain trilemma.
Right there from Shai, man. Take it from the horse's mouth. Take it from the horse's mouth. I know a lot of people say their project's technology is cutting edge, but with Kaspa it is truly cutting edge because it's the first project of its kind to truly solve the blockchain trilemma with block dag night. Super awesome stuff, man.
And I think these two things are what makes Kaspa what it is. And I think because we actually bring something new and innovative that solves a really old problem, it allows us to garner a community with a lot of conviction, a really smart and educated community, and which interplays with the fact that we are fair lunch and community driven. And I think the way these two things come together is what makes Kaspa what it is.
So
awesome. Shout out to House of Chimera for doing the Spaces. Obviously, you guys could check out their Twitter, House of Chimera, to listen to full Spaces. Kaspa news. Kas has more advanced technology than Bitcoin and Ethereum. It will soon replace all of them. Ethereum, we coming for you. We are coming for you, Ethereum. We don't have founders ready to sell on us like Vitalik. Vitalik just sent some Ethereum to Coinbase. What do you think he gonna do with those millions of dollars worth of Ethereum? Not the same here with Kaspa, man. It's just retail versus retail, investor versus regular investor with Kas, man. And I truly love that. Crypto Troopers, high time LTC maxis wake up to the realization that Kas Ghost Dag is the next pivotal step in the Web3 evolution. Kaspa is the most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer 1 built on using the Nakamoto consensus. No wonder Kas stands unrivaled in a sea of mediocrity. And I completely agree with Crypto Trooper here that Kas stands unrivaled in a sea of mediocrity, right? Love to see it, man. The more and more people are waking up to Kas, it's super amazing stuff to see. Like, people are taking notice. People missed it from Jim Ski Bum. People missed the bottom. I know because they were told they're waiting for lower in my comments at 1 cent. Now people are waiting for lower, and again, greed goes both ways, not just to the upside but also to the downside. Best strategy that I've been saying as well is to DCA at key levels, dollar cost average, and you win. Resist over investing so you can stay in the game no matter what happens. Exactly. Don't put your whole bag in one buy. Slowly buy in, right? Take the time, be patient, and buy in accordingly. Right now we have a beautiful company handling lots of fear about it. It is what it is. What will be will be. Nice right from Jim Skiba. You know, he's documenting his tweets as well, letting people know, hey, you might not get that retrace that back to 1 cent you guys are looking for. You know, might be smart to DCA. Cadillac man, Kaspa ASICs mining tools are very usable and fast productive. Kaspa has been created to proof of work mining again. Kaspa will dethrone ETH. Nice engagement here. 4 hearts. Northern Beach guy 83, rank 45, 22,000% up, 93,000 followers on CMC. Super bullish, right? That's what I'm talking about, guys. The awareness of Kaspa just keeps growing. It's so bullish to see for all the Caspians out there that Cas keeps growing consistently. You really love to see that, man. Rank 45, eventually it's gonna go to rank 30, rank 20, rank 10, rank 5, and beyond. Cadillac man, shut up fudders if you want to be rich. They're running by Kaspa. POS is the end, proof of stake is the end, and proof of work is born again by Kaspa. Couldn't agree more. Jim Skiba, once again, Bitcoin news reported on Cas, this time with a little video. They snuck it in there with the BTC price struggle headline, but when they talk about Kaspa, probably nothing. Then they talk about Kaspa, probably nothing. BTC struggles to push into greener price pastures Tuesday, seeing slight 24-hour gains. Let's take a look at this, man. What? Bitcoin news, bitcoin.com, one of the biggest Bitcoin news sites, right? Bitcoin related news sites, exchange, I think it's an exchange as well. Once again reporting on Kaspa. I spoke about it, they reported on it once before, and now we are back here once again. Awesome news, guys. Let's take a look.
This is the Bitcoin.com news daily price update for Tuesday, August 22nd. Crypto markets struggling to push back into the green, but first, in case you missed it, Bitcoin.com news reports that Bitmain has dispatched its initial KS3 Antminers amid a surge in crypto asset Kaspa's hash rate.
Look at that. And you don't think a ton of the Bitcoin whales or Bitcoin investors are seeing this news about Kaspa? The Bitcoin miners are seeing this news and be like, whoa, why did Bitmain sell out of these Antminers? $50,000 they're selling out? I might just have to start mining Kaspa and as well as Bitcoin now, right? You know, all speculation, but you know, got to put your head into the psychology of crypto, right? Because crypto is a lot of psychology.
Bitcoin.com news reports that the company shipped its first batch of the KS3s, and despite each rig costing almost $50,000, the first batch is sold out. Check out that full story.
Despite each rig costing $50,000, just under $50,000, sold out, man. The next batch is incoming, and I'm guessing those are going to sell out too.
News.bitcoin.com, BTC $26,000, up slightly. Bitcoin Cash $185, down about 0.5% in the last 24 hours today. Ethereum $1,661, down slightly. Binance Coin down 0.5%, $209. XRP 51 cents, down 1%. Dogecoin 6 cents, trading flat. ADA 25 cents, down 2.5%. Solana $20.94, down just over 0.5%. As always, to keep up on the latest developments moving the crypto markets, be sure you sign up and follow news.bitcoin.com.
Awesome, man. Very awesome stuff. Guys, Bitcoin news, bitcoin.com, 2.8 million followers. One of the most known news sites for Bitcoin investors, right? They got Bitcoin holders that check bitcoin.com every day. And Kaspa's featured there twice now. Very bullish. Sean Paul and Sky, imagine the feeling if one day your life, even in 10 years, you discover that Kas was founded by Satoshi. You see it around $100, top one. You've been missing it all the way long. Always thinking it was too late and waiting for a huge pullback, but it never really happened until the next bear market, when the bottom of Kas will be at $1. Psh. Kas is ready to break out again. First pick, it was the prediction. Second pick, its current chart, which seems to break out of retest. It is kind of confirming soon Kaspa gonna eat another zero. Netz stop top 30. So retrace, bounce off the trend line to continue up further. Let's see what happens. Spartan Wealth Academy, If you truly understand CAS and have endurance, patience, and conviction, you're gonna make it in the next bull run. CAS is a L1 proof of work that makes pretty much all other cryptos pointless. It solves the biggest issue in crypto. Make yourself understand how huge that is. That's why I got my bag. And that is exactly why I have my bag, and you guys should have exposure to it as well. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, become a Kaspa Maxi. Obviously it's great to have a diversified portfolio, but if you have an altcoin portfolio, you like technology in crypto, you like utility and use case, you have to have a bag of CAS. You have to. You just have to. Hyvion Kaspa pool is up and running. We've covered this already, guys. And again, more mining incentives for CAS, which is bullish for the hash rate. And we already know, man, price typically follows hash rate. Hash rate for CAS hitting new all-time highs every day. ASIC miners from Bitmain recently sold out. They're restocking those. Bitcoin.com reporting on Kaspa twice now. It's just super amazing to see. And with that, Caspian, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything CAS and myself will be in the description. Share the video with your friends and family. Comment down below. Let me get your thoughts. I love reading your comments. Become a channel member to support the channel even further. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.